There's our tui annoying the Kereru. Kereru's standing his ground this morning. Tui is trying to get him away from the juice. Come on, have a drink. You're bigger. I am. I have. It's difficult when that's on a video, babe. He's not giving up. Still going. It's Mr Kereru still there. Oh. And behind him, yeah. Oh, he's put his. Jeez. It's like a rugby game between the Kiwis and the Aussies. Ooh. Kereru got him. Tui got him then, babe. Wow, he's determined. Oh, that's not nice. Come on, be nice. Be nice. Share. Come on. Come on, Mr. Tui. Oi. Hey. Hey. Got his own way. Ooh. Very territorial, these ones. And they will I'll do what they need to do to keep their nectar, even the big Kereru gave up. Yeah. Hi. He's a good boy. He's a good boy, I say. Bit of a bully beef. Hey? It wasn't very nice though, was it? You'll do what you'll do, I suppose that's how it goes.